Okay, this is Chapter 4's Examining Name Address Translation, or NAT. The objective is examine NAT processes as traffic traverses a NAT border router. In this activity, you will use Packet Tracer Simulation mode to examine the contents of the IP header as traffic crosses the NAT border router. Okay, so step 1 is prepare the network simulation mode. So we'll go to simulation mode. Now click Customer PC, Desktop, Web Browser, and in the URL type in www.ispserver.com. Okay. And over here, you will notice that Customer PC queues a DNS request. It sends out an ARP request. You can view the contents of the ARP request either clicking on the packet in the topology or clicking on the packet color. In the PDU information at device Customer PC window, you'll see the IP addresses that the customer PC is attempting to find a MAC address for. So if you actually click on this will show you PDU details. There's IP, UDP, DNS header. Everything basically that you want to know will be on the info. So we're going to click capture forward twice. And which device answers the ARP request from customer PC? Well, let's see. It looks like the customer switch does. And we're going to capture forward twice. Customer PC accepts the ARP replay and builds another packet. And if you click on, let's see, the outbound of the AR, oh wait, hold on. The outbound details, it will show you every detail you need to know about that protocol, sorry. Okay, we're going to do it again. Capture forward twice again. And we're going to click the packet at the customerserver.com server. And we want to look at the outbound again. Scroll down to the bottom. And what is the IP address it wants to know? So your IP address is right here. There's your IP address. Okay, it wants us to capture forward again twice. And as you can see, another ARP request was issued. Click, it wants us to capture forward 10 times this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And it wants it to do an HTTP, which is what we got. That means the customer PC finally has enough information to request a web page. So we're going to capture forward 3 times. 3. We're going to click examine the contents of the customer router. Here's inbound details and the outbound. We're going to capture forward 7 times until the HTTP reply reaches customer router. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So examine the contents. Shows you exactly what layers it's in. It shows you basically everything. Okay, so now we're going to send an HTTP request from an outside host to an inside web server. So we are going to go to ISP Workstation, Desktop, Web Browser. We're going to type in customerserver.com. Server.com. And over here on the event list, you can actually type in audio capture play or capture forward to step stage of the process. And you're basically going to go through the same exact process as you did the first time. Do all of this again until you can formulate an HTTP request. And that's all for that activity. Is basically just a walkthrough of how to view gets and how to use the event list and so on.